Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys iPhone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on and use guys dark mode in iPhone. Friends, you want to on and use guys your dark mode setting in your iPhone. So how to on and off and how to use guys dark mode setting in iPhone. Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys one by one and step by step guys. We will talk about guys how to on and off and how to use guys dark mode in iPhone setting in iPhone guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting to on first of all dark mode. So how to on dark mode? Friends, you want to search guys your dark mode setting, so when you can search here, so I will search here dark mode. Friends, you can see that this dark mode will not dark mode display setting is, we will click here. So friends, you can see your dark mode setting direct. So friends, we can on and friends we can use. So friends, you can see background will dark, and friends we can use the dark mode setting in iPhone guys. You can see that background will dark. So like that we can use the dark mode setting. And once you don't want to use guys, you want to off, so how to off? Friends, you can see your phone display and brightness settings. So we will click on display and brightness. Friends, you can see left side is light mode and right side is dark mode. So friends, you want to off, you want to on your light mode, so you can on, and friends you want to on dark mode, so you can on and you can use from here guys your dark mode. Friends, you can see screen brightness guys, you want to increase, you want to decrease, you can increase and decrease from here. Automatic guys, this brightness guys, you want to on and off, so you can on and off from here. So friends, you can see this dark mode guys, we will on it. So friends, I want to use guys this dark mode setting, so I will on it. So like the guys, you want to use dark mode in your iPhone, so friends you can on, and friends you can use it. So bye guys. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Friends, do you have doubt related to guys your iPhone setting? You can ask me in comment section about your display and brightness setting. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video guys.